Everybody wants a healthy and fit body. Some of them taking healthy diet or various protein shakes or joining the gym. But very few person of them know that sleep is the one of the great factor for your body. So in this video we discuss 10 simple reasons why good sleep is important. So a good night's sleep is incredibly important for your health. In fact, it is just as important as eating healthy and exercising. Unfortunately, there is a lot of that can interfere with natural sleep patterns. People are now sleeping less than they did in the past, and sleep quality has been decreased day by day as well. Here we discuss 10 simple reasons why good sleep is important. Number 1. Poor sleep is linked to the higher body weight. Poor sleep is strongly linked to weight gain. People with short sleep duration tend to weigh significantly more than those who get adequate sleep. In fact, short sleep duration is one of the strongest risk factors for your obesity. In one extensive review study, children and adults with short sleep durations were 89% and 55% more likely to develop the obesity respectively. So, the effects of sleep on weight gain is believed to be mediated by numerous factors and including hormones and motivations to the exercise. If you are trying to lose weight, you getting quality sleep is absolutely crucial. Number 2. Good sleepers tend to eat fewer calories. Studies show that sleep-deprived individuals have a bigger appetite and tend to eat more calories. Sleep deprivation disproves the daily fluctuations in appetite hormone and is believed to cause poor appetite regulations. This includes higher development of ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates your appetite, and reduces the level of leptin, the hormone that suppresses the appetite. Number 3. Good sleep can improve your concentrations and productivity. Sleep is important for various aspects of your brain functions. This includes cognition, concentration, productivity, and performance also. All of these are negatively affected by sleep deprivation. So, a study on medical drugs provides a good example. Interns on a traditional schedule with extended work hours of more than 24 hours made 36% more serious medical errors than interns on a schedule that allow more sleep. Another study found that short sleep can negatively impact some aspect of brain function to a similar degree as alcohol intoxication. On the other hand, good sleep has been shown to improve problem-solving skill and enhance your memory performance of both children and adults. Number 4. Good sleep can maximize athletic performance. Sleep has been shown to enhance your athletic performance. In a study on basketball players, longer sleep was shown to significantly improve sleep, speed, accuracy, reaction times, and mental well-being. But less sleep duration has also been associated with poor exercise performance and functional limitation in a older women. A study in 2,800 women found that poor sleep was linked to a slower walking, lower grip strength, and a greater difficulty performing independent activities. Number 5. Poor sleepers have a greater risk of heart disease and stroke. Sleep quality and durations can have a major effect on your many health risk factors. These are the factors believed to drive chronic disease like heart disease and stroke. A review of 15 studies found that people who do not get enough sleep are a far greater risk of heart disease or stroke than those who sleep 7 to 8 hours per night. Number 6. Sleep affects glucose metabolism and type 2 diabetes risk. Experimental sleep restriction affects blood sugar and reduces insulin sensitivity. In a study in healthy young men, restricting sleep to 4 hours per night for 6 nights in a row caused symptoms of pre-diabetes. These symptoms resolve after 1 week of increased your sleep duration. Poor sleep habits are also strong linked to adverse effects of blood sugar in the general population. Those who sleeping less than 6 hours per night have repeatedly been shown to be at a increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 7. Poor sleep is linked to the depression. Mental health issues such as depression are strongly linked to the poor sleep quality and sleeping disorder. It has been estimated that 95% of people with depressions complain about the sleep quality. Poor sleep is even associated with an increased risk of death by suicide. Those with sleeping disorder like insomnia or obstructive sleep apnea also report significantly higher rates of depression than those without sleeping. Number 8. Sleep improves your immune function. Even a small loss of sleep has been shown to impair immune functions. One large 2 weeks study monitored the development of the common cold after giving people a nasal drops with the cold virus. They found that those who sleep less than 7 hours were almost 3 times more likely to develop a cold than those who slept 8 hours or more. If you often get colds, ensuring that you get at least 8 hours of sleep per night would be a very helpful, and eating more garlic can help you as well. Number 9. Poor sleep is linked to the increased inflammation. Sleep can have a major effect on your inflammation in your body. In fact, sleep loss is known as inactive undesirable markers of inflammation and cell damage. Poor sleep has been strongly linked to long-term inflammation of digestive tract, a disorder known as the inflammatory bowel disease. One study observed that sleep-deprived people with Crohn's disease were twice as likely to relapse as patients who slept well. Researchers are even recommending sleep evaluation to help predict outcomes in individuals with long-term inflammatory issues. Number 10. Sleep affects emotions and social interactions. Sleep losses reduces your ability to interact socially. Several studies confirm this using emotional, facial, and recognition tests. One study found that people who had not slept had a reduced ability to recognize expression of a longer anger, happinesses. Researcher believes that poor sleep affects your ability to recognize important social cues and processes emotional informations. So, at last, to summary in a column. Number 1. Short sleep duration is associated with an increased risk of weight gain and obesity in both children and adults. Number 2. Poor sleep affects hormone that regulates your appetite. Number 3. Good sleep can maximize problem-solving skill and enhance your memory. Number 4. Longer sleep has been shown to improve your many aspects of athletic and physical performance. Number 5. Sleeping less than 7 to 8 hours per night is linked to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 6. Sleep deprivation can cause pre-diabetes in healthy adults in as title as 6 days. Many studies show that strong link between short sleep duration and type 2 diabetes. Number 7. Poor sleeping patterns are strongly linked to depression. Number 8. Getting at least 8 hours of sleep can improve your immune functions and help fight the common cold. Number 9. Sleep affects your body inflammatory responses also. Number 10. Sleep deprivations may reduce your social skill and ability to recognize people's emotional expression. At last, thanks for watching the video. I am Kashnal Banerjee signing off.